Alright guys, this is Brian here. So what we have here is the Brood X Cicadas. We're here in Bethesda, Maryland. Supposedly they don't exist anywhere south of Georgia. This is once every 17 years or so phenomena. Supposedly they hide underground for about 17 years and then they come out in May once every 17 years. See this one? Nice and fat. This came out a little while, came out a long time ago probably. The wing is already hardened. I was out here earlier. I actually got some much cooler videos earlier because a lot of them were still stuck halfway. But unfortunately, Facebook don't allow me to. I don't know. I couldn't download the video from my Facebook. What do you call that? News feed maybe. So here we have the aftermath. How pretty they are. I will try to somehow upload my Facebook video, but for now, this is what you guys can see. They actually came out a lot faster than I anticipated. Because earlier there was still a few that was stuck halfway. Wow, this is so very cool. Once again, it's called a Brood X Cicadas. I'm trying to find one that is like still halfway out for you guys, but I think I just missed it. But I did take some pictures, so I'm going to try to get you guys. Maybe there will be another video. You know, when I get back to Florida, I'll ask my friend how I can download the videos from my Facebook and upload it for you guys. Sorry. I could swear there was a couple of them that stuck halfway. Look at how pretty they are. So earlier they would be like, you know, oh gee, did I step on that one? Was that it? So these are the ground that they came out of. Isn't this cool? It is way cool. Wow. Alright guys, Brian here. Come join me at my weird adventures. I just film anything that I think is cool, and I thought this is like very cool. You know, hit like, subscribe, and just follow me through my adventure of life. Besides some crazy animal stuff, I do fishing, racing, and just do me. Alright, that's it. Just leave him alone. Just leave me alone. Oh yeah.